crossover. Hello, everyone. You know Lauren.
Hey guys.
A fellow Gorga girl.
Yes.
We have 2/3. Kyra, our heart goes out to you.
R.I.P. We miss you every day.
35 hitter and it hit her fast. But Lauren is here. She's studying abroad in Florence. And she's visiting me in Rome for the weekend. So the festivities are going to get started. Also, it's Valentine's Day weekend.
Love.
Tonight.
Dinner.
Walk around and yap and chat and catch up on all the good things that the world has to offer. That's it! I'm actually hype as hell. This is the first person that hasn't been a family that has like visited me in Roma Homa.
Roma Homa.
So
I can't believe I'm here! I was like watching old Gorga vlogs and there's one of like us talking about coming to visit you and I was like, wow.
dude.
It's happened.
It's happening! That's literally crazy. We'll see you on the streets. I already dug in.
Got dinner.
Vlogception.
Polak, jaki tam Polak? Kaszu.
Vlogception.
Gracie's vlogging right now.
Lauren's vlogging right now. We've already begun to eat. Sorry. This is the whereabouts.
How did you like your food?
It's really good. I'm still working on it. So I'll let you guys know when we get gelato.
I got gelato. Rome gelato is better than Florence gelato.
I'll be the judge of that. We're at the Pantheon. I don't often vlog Rome, so I think this is like such a funny thing to be vlogging.
I was gonna say, what's the last time you vlogged in Rome?
I think my first week when I lived here.
That's kind of crazy.
And I hit all the same spots, because like what else are you gonna do? Pantheon. Okay, we'll see you at Trevi.
Crazy. I actually painted that in my room.
Yeah.
Looks the exact same.
Yeah.
Vlogging like so many people do right now. I'm like,
excuse me. How many booms do you rate it?
I give this 6 booms.
Vlogs.
Vlog enter. Oh, she's awake.
Guys, we're here.
Oh, beautiful. This is gonna do wonders on Lauren's and Florence Instagram. She's right behind me, isn't she? Gracie and I are gonna fight to the death in the Coliseum.
Pull up next Friday to see the duel of the century.
Gonna win. My money's on Grace.
Comment down below who you think is gonna win.
I can do that too.
How many booms?
Grace and I are sharing a bed, and tonight I'm gonna play this while we fall asleep.
I'll put on my dreamy forest music rain sounds. I've actually been going to sleep to that at night.
Actually,
Guys, I'm currently sleeping on the couch. So the washer will be
it's a little zoomed.
so the washer will be going off. So I'll play my dreamy forest music rain sounds to fall asleep.
Be careful, you're gonna fall asleep right now.
Happy Valentine's Day! Good morning! We're currently on a little adventure to go get my rent for the month.
Yes.
Also hunt for a little apron because I'm about to mother all my children today because we have a Valentine's party tonight. Mariah and I are hosting. First host, I'm gonna be baking. So we're dialing in, we're getting our morning walk in, and I'm going to go to the store, and then the festivities are gonna start.
Wait, can I show off the strawberry shortcake
Oh,
shirt?
please, yes.
Strawberry shortcake baby doll.
Baby doll.
Thank you.
I'm wearing my thing from Portia that has flowers on it.
So cute.
But we'll also give you a fit check for the party, because I have a cute little fit. Hey everyone, we're back. We got all our ingredients. I got an apron.
Yes. Hold on. Let's
Look at this.
show the apron.
Oh, okay, yeah, please, please.
Yes. Absolutely.
Beautiful. If you want to see what we cook, check out my Cooking with Carolina video, because we're about to make that. So shimmy on over there if you want to see it.
Shimmy on over.
Shimmy on over. We'll see
link
you
to the caption
once
below.
it's all done, I guess. We're We're back. We're back. We're back. 5 hours later, I already showed you guys. Go check out the cooking vlog. Boom, boom, boom. I'll show you a better setup when I'm all dressed and we have everything all cutesy and set up. So
Yeah.
we'll see you there.
Wow.
We're party ready.
Yay!
We are party ready. We're all dressed up. This is the vibes of the function. As of now, we moved the table over, all cleaned up. This is our cake, our candles, our drinks, our brownies. Jalen, pride flags. This is the setup. So, do you want to give a fit check, Mariah?
Oh yeah, so I have on this white little mini skirt.
Beautiful.
These white socks, and I have on this
Beautiful.
red vest and
Beautiful.
long sleeve.
Lovely. Hit me with
Yeah.
it.
What do we have?
I have Mariah's cardigan. Okay, hiking socks because the only red socks I have. Little tights that have bows on them. Then a little rose dress and jewelry and all things good. Lauren,
Fit check.
fit check.
I have these jeans I got at Target.
Beautiful.
And then I cut them because they were too long.
Beautiful.
Strawberry shortcake
Beautiful.
top, thrifted in Austin.
Gas.
And that's about it.
That's lovely. Josie, this is our friend Josie.
Oh, first time vlog?
Yes, first of all.
Yeah.
Do you want to give a fit check?
Kilt.
Gas.
Random market.
And random market.
Signed basketball shirt. I don't
Beautiful.
know who
We're
it
sporty
is.
in this house.
Cropped it, friends.
Of course.
Jeans. I think my dad.
Gorge core.
Shoes. My dad.
Gas.
Market.
Fantastic,
Also,
fantastic.
market.
Okay, the layers go crazy
Yeah.
on the fit check. Happy Valentine's Day. I do not think that I will record much of the eve, so if I don't, I'll see you all tomorrow. Happy Valentine's Day. Good morning.
Buongiorno.
Good afternoon, actually. We had breakfast, we didn't vlog it, but now we're getting boba at this fine establishment. Ooh, and we're getting ready to write a little thing. What do you want to write more for?
Should we do a memorial for Kyra?
Oh, yes. There, yep. So sad. Beautiful. Wow. Sunny
Thank
and
you.
cloudy. Rainy.
Yeah.
Okay. Never guess where we're back at.
They found our
They found our spot again, guys. Everyone just keeps pulling up here. Guys, we're trying to book flights.
I don't like.
She has
Being
currently booked
study
a flight
abroad.
to Malta. From Zadar.
Split. That's not how you spell it.
Well, it knew what I was saying, huh?
I prefer split.
So these are actually some of the same pictures that we just looked at.
Instagram caption would go so hard. Back in the split.
Search! Ooh.
Oh.
I did not want me to do that yet. I'm not ready to commit like that.
That's perfect. Those were the things we want. You have a class on Monday.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry I sometimes
Okay.
Sorry I sometimes do what I actually moved here to do.
Sorry.
Guys, the reason we're struggling so much is because there has been like a huge inflation with like flight prices that I have actually never seen before.
It's almost midnight.
That's actually crazy.
I know.
I'm like, this time last night I was having a panic attack.
Yeah.
Crazy how time flies like that. I need to get better at skipping my classes. Because I'm a student, I'm an academic weapon, let me tell you one thing.
Absolutely.
But I never skip a class unless I'm like ill. I have absences I can use. An assignment can be made up. Memories are forever.
Exactly. And you're a straight A student, maybe a couple B's here.
Yeah.
And that's
As of
okay.
last semester, Italian did me dirty.
What's the class?
Pop music, gender, and sexuality.
Let me show you some pop music, gender, and sexuality, okay? I'm leaving Rome, Italy. I hear Barcelona.
I swear it's calling me. Barcelona's thing. Okay, I'm convinced.
Okay, perfect.
Duck?
5 hours later.
Here we are.
Gracie is Monica.
Yeah.
Lauren is Joey.
Yeah.
You are Rachel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways,
That was it.
We miss you and we wish you a happy late Valentine's Day.
Happy late Valentine's Day, guys.
Happy.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
I would love to. Hey, get this on the vlog.
Isaac, we just booked a trip to Barcelona. We were watching so many episodes, and I was like, fuck, we need to tell someone about our casting, because it's like spot on.
And we just miss you so much.
Next time I watch Friends, I will definitely be like,
Locked in.
Thinking
Oh.
that.
who's Gunther?
Kyra?
Isaac, I have a theory that you hate me, because we've never been at the lake house at the same time. Can you confirm or deny?
You confirming
Confirming what?
that you and Lauren have
Can
never...
you take me off speaker real quick?
Okay, you're off speaker. What's up?
I just gotta be like so real. Why the fuck did you FaceTime me? I low-key do not fuck with Lauren.
That's okay.
This shit is so messed up. I'm tired of it.
I know.
Hanging out with Lauren is such like a mentally, emotionally, and physically like taxing event.
Yeah.
My intention of hanging out with Lauren is non-existent, and I just want that to be very clear to you.
Okay, yeah. We can act like we didn't say the England thing, and I won't make a big deal of it because I know that you don't want to come and she's gonna come.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Is there like a good what would like a good excuse be?
We could just like act like it never happened, just like gaslight. So I'll put you back on speaker.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, you're back.
Okay.
So I was looking at flights for England for you guys.
For us?
Yeah, for you and Brendan to come. What are we? What?
Wait, what?
Yeah, for.
Is that why you coughed Hobbs?
I didn't do that.
What?
Gracie, you're playing Switzerland really hard right now.
Switzerland?
You know, people give Switzerland a ton of shit for this, you know?
What?
Sweden?
Is that what that's what I said.
Wait, I'm really confused.
Sweden was neutral in the war. Like, they didn't pick a side. Well, that's all I had to say to Isaac. I actually never want to talk to him ever again, on, like, a real note.
Oh, you don't?
Hold up! Oh my god.
What?
Just her feed right now is absolutely diabolical.
Have you told Lauren what's been up with you?
Yes.
Yes!
How's that going?
I don't know.
She's down bad, Isaac.
Lauren,
It's...
see how I, like, found a way to bring up the situation without outing Gracie?
God, I
I forgot about that.
I'm being so real, I did too until I said it.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna stop this recording because my camera is almost dead. But we'll see you guys tomorrow. Isaac, do you want to say bye to the vlog?
Alright, bye.
Good night. We're gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
I want to.
Biggest outro ever because she's leaving.
And I'm gonna miss my twin.
And she's gonna miss her train. But we love you guys. She'll be back so soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lauren in Roma Homa. Lawrence and Florence.
Lawrence and Florence, Rome edition.
Lovely. We'll see you guys some other time. Bye!